Hello everybody, King Sam here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be nothing like the regular video I post, that is my tutorial videos. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for everything that you have done. During the week, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I hit 2,600 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that have subscribed to this channel. Growing up, I was not like the smartest person in the class. I was not the most punctual or anything. But right now, I'm so happy for every single person that has subscribed to the channel, that leaves comments, both negative or positive. I'm really appreciative. And thank you guys for every single view I've gotten on my video. Secondly, I thank people in my motion design community. I was very scared when I was starting the community because I was like, how many people are going to join? How many people are going to actually like this content enough to join and hear what I'm saying? And, the turnout on the community has been great. I actually love it. I'm thankful to you guys that actually reach out to me and tell me how much you like the videos. I've gotten messages from Pakistan, from India, from a lot of places that I never would have thought that my videos would go that far to, saying that they like my videos and one of the reasons that they are doing After Effects right now. I'm really thankful for it. I don't know what I can say, and I don't know what I can do. I don't know what I'm actually saying that's different from a lot of people on the internet that's making you guys have that amount of trust in me. But I am grateful for it, and I don't take it for granted. It's crazy that, where I stay, my family house is a place called Lokoja. And for those of you that are not in Nigeria, Lokoja is a town in Kogi State. And the only thing that Kogi State, one of the main things that, the major thing that Kogi State is known for is being the road to Abuja. And I'm very thankful and very grateful that my videos has reached a lot of countries that I'll have never thought about. I was looking through my statistics the other day and I saw that I had a lot of views from India, from US. And I'm very, very grateful to all of you. Motion design has changed my life. Forget the monetary aspects and financial aspect of it. I feel now that maybe I'm actually like making an impact in people's lives, because the amount of people that have reached out to me tell me a lot of things. It touches my heart deeply, and I'm really, 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 really grateful to all of you. I wanted to make this video at 3,000 subscribers, and please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you know anybody that would like the channel, please, you can tell them to subscribe also. But when I saw 2,600 subscribers, I actually got kind of emotional. I'm not an emotional person. My friends and family know that about me, but going from like one view, posting one big video, and I'm not sure anybody may watch, to like 2,600 people subscribing to actually want to know about like my thoughts on how to do this thing. It's crazy. And I thank all of you guys for being on this journey with me. I don't take it for granted, and I don't want to damage the trust that you guys have in me. That's the first part. Second part is, going forward, there are going to be like a few changes I'm working on for the channel as a whole. So first of all, I'm going to be sharing more of my personal life, my personal growth in motion design. So I'll be talking more about, like landing my first clients. I've started doing it for some people that are actually following me on my social media platform, but talking about life as a content creator / video editor, motion designer. I'm going to talking about that more. And I want to start documenting my growth and my journey in this in the motion design space. For example, a lot of you in my community have been seeing me posting a lot of videos on Element 3D, and I want to go back and start doing more 3D animations. And also, my last video I talked about Figma. So Figma, After Effects animations also. So if there's something that interests you, I'll be dropping more video and more content on that. I'm going to make it in my normal style, showing my video, showing my face, showing my screen, sharing it and explaining it as much as possible. Oh, and finally, I'll be showing you guys like a little bit of behind the scenes of how I actually make my videos. A lot of people have asked me what gears I'm using, like how can they start YouTube also, or start like content creation also. So I'll be sharing a lot more gears that I use, like tripods, lights, gimbals, and we're going to talk about a lot of filmmaking also. Like if you want to start a YouTube channel, how you can do it, it's going to be great. Okay, that's the first one. Second thing I'm going to talk about is running this YouTube channel. A lot of times is very stressful, and I love it. Basically, I like the stress, but the world doesn't stop for you to edit videos. So it's hard sometimes to balance life, work, school. Since I'm still in school until the end of this year, and as many of you that want to support me, I'm going to drop a link to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. So please, you can reach out to me. And if you want to support me in any way, that is how you can do it. I'm working on opening a Patreon channel so I can offer the people that are actually supporting me special perks. Like instead of I can share my video files, my project files, I'm going to share to the general, but I'll be sharing them my After Effects file so they can actually have the After Effects file so that they can dig into it and look at it through by themselves. But the project files will still be sent out to the general people just for them to just get some incentives back. Then if you want to support again, please reach out. My Gmail is in the video description. You can reach out to me and we'll talk better. I'm working on my Patreon, so it's not fully out now, but it's gonna be out soon. And finally, mentorship session. Okay, so I've talked about mentorship one of my previous lives, and I see that a lot of times because I'm in school, I'm a student, doing mentorship sessions is going to be hard. But I'm finishing school this year, so my first mentorship session, and this is what I want to do. I want to make it 3 times a year. So I'm going to divide 2026 into 3 quarters, and I'm going to have mentorship sessions for each quarter. So the registration for the mentorship session starting in February 2026 is ongoing right now. I don't want to carry plenty people. I don't want to take a lot of people at once. So I'm going to be limiting the amount of mentees I have to about 10 to 15 people per quarter. So first quarter limit 10 to 15, second quarter 10 to 15, third quarter 10 to 15. If you're interested, you can reach out to me. You can join the design community. So when we communicate, I'll open a group for the mentees separately. So for the mentorship now, I'll be taking personal trainings with you guys, sharing my screens, explaining like from beginning to end, and it's going to be paid mentorship because it's not easy to give everything out for free. I still got struggle. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So my first mentorship session is going to be in February of 2026. So if you want to register, you can register now. Reach out to me. I'll give you the pricing and everything. And yeah, that's all for the mentorship aspect. Again, I want to thank you guys for everything. I am really, really appreciative. I have because of this motion design and everything, I have missed a lot of interesting things that have happened in my life. I've ignored a lot bunch of hangouts and stuff, but whenever I see someone liking my video, when I see somebody subscribing to my channel, even comments, the good and the bad, it gives me motivation to do more. And I want to do more. I want to do more for you guys. I don't want you guys to feel like you're missing out on any kind of content because you're listening to me. So I'm working hard to learn more things so that I can offer more to you guys. I really appreciate it. You guys have changed my life. YouTube has changed my life. Thank you again. Yeah. So for now, on to the next video. And next video is going to be very, very interesting. Remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Dream endlessly. Don't know where your voice can reach. Love you guys.